What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the best camp light on the market today. Devos Outdoors has their flagship 1200 lumen unit and their lower 800 lumen unit, but they just came out with their 2000 lumen unit. Now, not only is this light a lot brighter than those ones, it's got a lot more features that you guys have been asking for. So let's dive into it and see what it's all about. So before we even get into the light, they have substantially upgraded that tripod that we have come to know and love. So this thing is a lot beefier, a lot thicker, super easy to use still, but it's also adjustable. So your legs can either be at step 1 or all the way out step 2, but the tripod as a whole is a heck of a lot beefier. You've also got stakes built into the feet that you can now pull out and stake this thing into the ground in high wind situations. When you're done, they literally just go right back into the feet like this, and they store themselves for you. So when you buy this light, you are getting a lot beefier of a tripod. It is honestly super sturdy. Before I started filming this, we had like 30-mile-an-hour winds. I had this light telescoped up to probably about 7 feet, did not budge at all, even without the stakes in the ground. But let's get to the nitty-gritty and what you guys actually want to see, the light. So just like the 800 and the 1200, this light does the same thing of being able to go full 360 or adjust to 180 and 90. Now on the 1200, you have to have a colored filter to change the color of the light to either an amber, orange, or red. With this light, it's all built in, right? So we have our amber and we have our red. Full 360, you guys can change which direction that is going to, just like you can the white lights, and the dimmability as well. Now, a lot of you have been asking for a type of remote or way to control this light from your seat at camp, from inside your rooftop tent or your ground tent. They've come out with their own application, so you guys can literally control what side or what functions of the light are turned on. You can adjust the brightness, the color, as well as see exactly how much battery your Devos Outdoors Light Ranger 2000 has left inside of it. So you can control every single function of this light from your phone within their app, so you don't have to get up or bring the telescoping tripod down to change the brightness, change which direction it's going. It's all easily accessible through their app. Let's dive into the app. As you guys can see, my Light Ranger 2000 is sitting next to me, turned off. Hands off, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. All 4 sides on. I'm gonna adjust the brightness. You see it turn up there. Now I'm gonna start turning on different sides. So I can turn on these different sides, one single side, or I can turn on all four. But as I can see right now, my Light Ranger currently has 97% battery. From the app, I can change it to amber, I can change it to red, and again, I can still adjust what sides of the light are turned on from in that app. Now, the cool thing about the app is I can pick either a 90-degree side, but I can pick any side that I want to be turned on, or any 2 sides I want to be turned on. So you can turn on lights to be in the specific direction that you want through this app on your phone. Again, no matter if it's amber or red, I can adjust the brightness on a whim. Or if I'm like, you know what, I'm going to bed, I don't need this light turned on right now, I'll go ahead and turn it off. As you guys can see, hands-free, just on my phone. I can run this light how I need it to be. So you guys can't really see me right now because it is pitch black, but my Light Ranger is way above what I can reach, so I'm gonna turn it on with my phone app here. So as you guys can see, this thing is a lot higher than what I can reach. So I'm using the app to power it, and I can adjust what lights are turned on with this app. But you can see the range of this thing is very, very good. I can see, if I turn this thing off, I can't see anything that way or anything past David's rig over there. But if I do this, I can see very far that way, and I can see past David's rig over there. If I bring it down, you guys probably be able to see me a little better, but being able to control this new Light Ranger 2000 from the mobile app is really, really nice. And when I go to bed, I'll be able to just turn on one side, turn it on red like this, and this thing will last all night long if I dim it down. Or since I can run it from the app, I really don't even have to do that, because I can just turn it on from my phone when if I have to get out of my tent in the middle of the night. This thing is, I think, the best camping light to hit the market. Again, the tripod is a hell of a lot sturdier. The light is very well built. Having the built-in app and Bluetooth to it has been really, really nice. And the built-in stakes to the feet. So this thing is an absolute unit. If you guys want to check this out, I will put the link to the Devos Outdoor website in the description. And again, promo code TheDarkYota will save you guys a couple bucks on this light. That is my review for this light. I think it is the best camping light that you can possibly get. Is it expensive? Yes, it is, but you get a lot of bang for buck with this light. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, peace.